In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a typewriter effect in Premiere Pro. Let's get to it. Once you open Premiere and create a new sequence, begin by selecting the Type tool, click and type something. Then switch back to the Selection tool. Make sure you have Essential Graphics panel enabled from Window so that you can adjust how the text looks. I suggest you increase the tracking to have space between the letters, and then align the text horizontally and vertically so it is at the center of the screen. Then we're going to open the Effects window and search for Crop. Then add the crop effect to the text layer. Head over to the Effect Controls panel and click on the crop effect. Then you should get these 4 crop indicators in the preview window, and the one we need is on the right. So if we simply drag it and move it to the left until the text is not visible, then make sure you are at the beginning of the text layer and create a keyframe by clicking on a stopwatch next to a right. Then go 1 frame forward. You can move using the arrow keys. So 1 frame forward, select the crop effect once again to see the indicators, and move this indicator that's on the right to reveal the first letter. Then move 1 frame forward and reveal the next letter. And pretty much keep doing that until you finish. And after you're done, the animation will be very fast because we are revealing a letter every frame. And we can easily slow this down by right-clicking on the text layer, select Nest, you can call this text, click OK, then right-click on the text layer and select Speed and Duration. Then set speed to 20%, click OK. That'll extend the layer forward and slow the animation down. So if you preview this now, this should look a lot more like a typewriter effect. And you can slow this down even more if you need to. And that is it for this one. Thank you guys for watching.